How can I search for content on the internet using Roku TV?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be talking about how you can search for content on the internet using Roku TV. If you're a Roku TV user and you want to explore a world of online content, this video is for you. Let's get started.
Accessing the Roku Channel Store.
The first step to searching for content on the internet using Roku TV is to access the Roku Channel Store. To do this, navigate to the Roku home screen by pressing the home button on your Roku TV remote. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see a menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll through the menu options and highlight the option that says Streaming Channels or Channel Store. Press the OK button on your remote to select it.
Using the Roku Channel Store.
Now that you're in the Roku Channel Store, you have access to a vast library of channels and content. To search for specific content, you can follow these steps. 1. Navigate to the search bar. Look for the search icon or a magnifying glass symbol in the Roku Channel Store. Highlight it and press the OK button on your remote to open the search interface. 2. Enter your search query. Using the on-screen keyboard, type in the name of the content you're looking for. For example, if you want to watch a specific movie, enter the movie title. 3. View search results. After entering your search query, the Roku Channel Store will display relevant search results. Scroll through the results to find the content you're interested in. The search results may include both free and paid channels. 4. Select your desired channel. Once you've found the channel that offers the content you're looking for, highlight it and press the OK button to view more details about the channel. 5. Add the channel. If you want to add the channel to your Roku TV, select the Add Channel or Install button. This will download and install the channel onto your Roku device.
Navigating and streaming content.
After you've added the channel that provides the content you want to watch, you can easily navigate and stream the content. Here's how. 1. Return to the Roku home screen. Press the home button on your remote to go back to the Roku home screen. 2. Access the channel. Scroll through the list of channels on your home screen until you find the newly added channel. Highlight the channel and press the OK button to launch it. 3. Browse and play content. Once you're inside the channel, you can navigate through its interface to find and select the specific content you want to watch. You might encounter various sections like Featured, Popular, or Search. Use the arrow keys on your remote to move around and the OK button to select the desired content. 4. Enjoy your content. After selecting the content, sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite movies, shows, or videos on your Roku TV. That's it for today's video on how to search for content on the internet using Roku TV. By accessing the Roku Channel Store, searching for content, and adding the relevant channels, you can unlock a world of online entertainment. Now you can make the most out of your Roku TV and enjoy a wide range of content from the comfort of your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!